A very good morning, all of you children. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is measurement of length. We all know what is length. किसी भी चीज़ की लंबाई है ना. When we have to measure the length, like हम अपनी height नापते हैं ना, we measure our height, we find out how tall we are. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम अपनी length नाप रहे हैं. At times हम जब टेलर के पास जाते हैं for getting our clothes stitched, what does he use? He uses a tape, है ना, to measure, and वो cloth को उस हिसाब से कट करता है. So the measuring tape is used. So children, when we measure length, we are measuring how long something is. Yes, किसी भी चीज़ की लंबाई को जब हम measure करते हैं, that means we are measuring the length of that thing. And if we see, we can measure the length of anything. Like for example, as you can see here, we can measure the length of a bridge, table, our own hand, pencil, rubber, our bed, the walls of this room. So length can be measured of any solid object. Now what is exactly length? If we see the definition, then length is how long an object is, and it is measured, जो उसके units हैं वो है inches, feet, yards and miles. And as we can see, these are the units when we are talking about inches, feet, yards and miles. ये क्या है? ये English units of measurement हैं. They are the English units of measurement. जैसे आप अपने स्केल में भी देखते होगे ना, एक तरफ इंचेस हैं एंड एक तरफ आपके सेंटीमीटर्स हैं. तो अगर हम लोग इंचेस में मेजर कर रहे हैं या फीट यूज कर रहे हैं, यार्ड यूज कर रहे हैं, माइल्स, दे आर द इंग्लिश यूनिट्स. बट in India, or as you can say, we are using the metric system, and includes the it includes the metric units, that is millimeter, centimeter, meters and kilometers. So these are the four metric units which are being used to measure the length. Now we are going to read about these in detail later. Now let us understand here first that for measuring the length, at times we are using the non-standard units. For example, अक्सर हम लोग देखते हैं ना, हम लोग हाथों को यूज़ कर लेते हैं. If you have heard the word of in हिंदी we say ना बीता, एक बीता, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अपने थंब से और अपने स्मॉल फिंगर से लेके वी आर मेजरिंग, या हम लोग पाम से मेजर कर लेते हैं अपने हथेली को रख के कि अच्छा एक हाथ, दो हाथ, तीन, चार हाथ बराबर है ना. या वी आर यूजिंग अ टूल, लाइक जैसे हम पेंसिल लेके नाप लेते हैं किसी चीज़ को. या वी आर यूजिंग आर फुट, तो इसको हम लोग वी यूज द फुट टू मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ सपोज अ रूम. हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे एक पैर, दो पैर एक के आगे एक रख के चलते हैं एंड वी कैन इजिली मेजर. सो वी आर यूजिंग आर हैंड्स ऑल्सो टू मेजर, तो द हैंड स्पैन इज देयर. Then we can use objects like these pins, 8 pins long, है ना, yeah, this object like dice or this matchbox kind of a thing, and then we can measure. So we are having these non-standard units. ये non-standard इसलिए बेटा because they are not having a definite you can say measure. भाई किसी का हाथ बड़ा है, किसी का हाथ छोटा है. अगर हम एक टेबल को नापते हैं, अगर मैं नापती हूँ तो हो सकता है 6 हाथ हो, अगर कोई छोटा बच्चा नापेगा तो उसके ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. Similarly, my pencil can be short, somebody's pencil can be long. So he will say, okay, with my pencil it is 6 times the pencil. Somebody will say, no, with my pencil it's only 4. So these are like not giving us the accurate length. तो accurate अगर हमें length चाहिए तो उसके लिए we have to use the standard units. ठीक है, और वो standard units हम use करते हैं according to our metric system. तो उसमें क्या है, we have the millimeter for the smaller lengths, we have the centimeter, we have the meter and we have the kilometers. तो ये जो हैं these are the standard units which are fixed: millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now let us further understand how are they, you can say, what is their measure, how much, what is 1 meter or what is 1 kilometer, उसकी क्या इक्विवेलेंट है, उसकी क्या प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. सो व्हेन वी से about the centimeter, if you can see it on your scale also, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. When we talk about 1 meter, तो 100 centimeter, 100 centimeters will make 1 meter. And when we are talking about kilometer, 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. So if you can see, centimeter is the smaller unit, meter comes in between, और जो बड़ा यूनिट है वो है आपका किलोमीटर. Now children, all this what we are going to learn in this chapter is related to our metric system. Now what is your metric system? Metric system is a definite system which helps us to measure 5 basic measurements, that is length, कितनी लंबाई है, distance, how much we are traveling, वो भी एक तरीके से length ही है, then weight which we have already studied, kilograms and grams, then capacity, that is volume, or you can say जिसको हम लोग ने units liter and milliliters पढ़े थे, and then we have the temperature. So these 5 basic concepts or quantities are measured by the help of the metric system, and they are given the units. Like weight को measure करने के लिए we use kilograms and grams. For volume we are using liters and milliliters. For length we are using meters, centimeters and the millimeter, and for longer distances we are using kilometer. Temperature, we all know we are measuring in degrees Celsius. So 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point and 100 degree Celsius is your boiling point.